Hello students, I will continue with the chapter South America. In this video I will start with the geographic importance or geographical importance of South America. So the first geographical importance of the South America is that South America is the fourth largest continent based on the area, okay, and it ranks fifth among the continents based on population. Next is that South America has almost every types of the landscape and climate, and the world's largest tropical rain forest lies in the Amazon basin. Next is that the continent has an average the continent has almost abundant natural resources, including rich farmlands like pampas, then vast timberland like example is selva. Next, some largest deposits of valuable mineral are also found over here, like the mineral oil of Venezuela, then the iron ores of Brazil. Next, the copper of Chile, etc. So these are some of the geographical importance of the continent of South America. Based on the relief structure, relief means actually landform. Relief means actually the landform features. Okay, so the relief and the structure of the South America is being divided into three distinct divisions based on the physiography. So number one is the Pacific coastal strip in the west. Next, the Andes Cordilleras on the west. Next, number 3 is the Central Plain. Number 4 is the Eastern Highlands. So this is the 4 classification of the relief structure or the physiography structure of the South America. So first one is the Pacific coastal strip, then we have the Andes Cordillera, next is the Central Plains, and next is the Eastern Highlands. So you can see this in the map. The Pacific coastal strip means that this portion of the North America. Then we have the Andes Cordillera that is present over here. You can see the brown coloring of in the map. This brown coloring is actually representing or showing the Andes Cordillera that is present in the western portion of the South America. Next is the Central Plains, that is this central portion of the South America lies the Central Plains. There are numerous numbers of the plains present in this particular section of the South America. And last one is the Eastern Highlands. So Eastern Highland means this section, this is the eastern portion of the South America. So the highlands is located in the eastern section of the South America. That is why it is known as the Eastern Highlands. So you can see this coloring light shades of the yellow. This light shades of the yellow is actually showing the Eastern Highlands, or the location of the Eastern Highlands in the eastern portion of the South America. Okay, so South America has got a different types of the landscape and also different type of the climate. Why it covers different types of the climate? Because it falls under different types of the latitudinal area, or different types of the different type of the temperature zone. Okay, for example, the equator is passing through here. So this is the place where we will get means up to here you can see the Tropic of Capricorn is also passing through the central portion of the South America. So you can understand that from this 0 to 23.5 degree we will get the torrid zone of the world, and this places will experiences a very hot and humid type of the climate. Next you see in the southern section up to the southern portion of the North America will experiences the temperate type of the climate from this because this portion falls in the temperate zone of the world. Okay, and based on the climatic region also different types of the landform features are present. For example, here we will find the we will find the tropical evergreen forest. Then the tropical grasslands are also present in this four sections of the South America. Then we will have the farmlands like the pampas. Then you can see over here the pampas is present over here. Then the selva is present over here. So this is actually selva. So here the varied type of the landform feature are present. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.